So, it's that girl Bria back with another one. I'm going to show you guys how I make seasoned fries that taste similar to Rally's or Checkers. So what you're going to do is spray a baking pan, because I bake my fries, or sometimes I put in the air fryer, but today I'm going to bake it. So you spray your baking pan with some olive oil. That's the first thing you need to do. Then I'm going to add fries to the baking pan. I think those are the amount of fries that I want to use. You feel me? Next, I add a little olive oil. And I only have a little bit, so running low. So you add a little olive oil to the fries and you just give it a little mix as well. This should keep the fries nice and moist and won't get, won't just taste like, weird. First, I'm going to add some garlic powder to season that bad boy up. Some onion powder, just a little bit of that. Some black pepper, of course. I'm going to use a little basil because that is what I want to do, and that's what I feel to do. Some Mrs. Dash, a little bit of that, and this is what's going to knock it out the pot. It's a little sazon, and then I'm going to come back with a little more garlic. I'm going to set these fries in my oven at about 400. And I'm going to let it bake until it gets crispy. And I'll be right back to show you the end results. And this is how the fries came out. They're nice and crispy, nice and seasoned. And they taste so good. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified about new content. And remember, one love, God bless. Here is the end result of my seasoned fries. I made some buffalo parmesan wings to go with them. And I'm going to enjoy this.